Hello guys, my video is about running and debugging Java application. Let's imagine you have discovered that it functions not the way you expected. For example, it returns a wrong value or crashes with an exception. It means you have errors in your code and it's time to debug it. Well, there are many different kinds of error. Some of them are easy to catch, like syntax error, because they will be taken care by the compiler. However, some errors are very tricky and take a long time to find and fix. For example, logic error, which happens early but may not solve until very late. This is where the debugger is useful. In this video, we are covering a basic debugging scenario to get you started. Let's try a simple debugging case. Imagine we have the following application. The programming is supposed to calculate the average of all values passed as command line arguments. It compiles and runs without issues. However, the result is not what you would expected. Let me try to run it. So for instance, when we pass 1, 2, 3 at the input, the result is 6, but we're supposed to have like 2. First of all, you need to think about where the suppressed bit error might be coming from. We can assume the problem is not in the print statement. Most likely, unexpected results are coming from our sum method. In order to find the cause, let's examine its behavior in the running time. So like after I run it, it's returned 6, and then so we start setting the breakpoint in line 9. It is a line of the code that you think that it will be wrong or start error. Now let's start the program in debugging mode. So we click the run icon and then modify run configuration. And we set 1, 2, 3, and then we click OK. And click the run button near the main method. Then select the debug one. So after the debugger session has started, the program runs normally until a breakpoint is hit. When this happens, the line when the program pause gets highlighted and the debug tool window appears in here. We can examine the content of the argument arrays in here. So we start like step into the function sum to find out what is happening inside. To step into a method, click the step into button, and so we are inside the function. And then we step over. So we can see like the follow, how the follow inside running, and step over, and then over. So we can see like the and after it the return result is acid, like without divide it by the number of input. So this is why the program output is wrong. So let's correct the error. So we have to divide input dot length to get the number 2, and then we run again. So we have the right answer. Thank you for listening.